welcome back to my channel. So I have a package here from Maniology. I haven't opened it yet and I'm so excited. I think it's a couple stamping plates and maybe some polish. So let's dig in and see what we have. I am so excited. I love Maniology stuff. Their stamping plates are just amazing. I've never had an issue with a single one ever, and their polishes are so good. So get all the packaging out of the way. Yes, okay, now I remember what this is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We'll start with the polishes first. I was just so excited to show these to you guys. So we have a little stamping trio here. I forget what it's called. Maybe cotton candy or something like that. Everything will be in the description box, you guys. All the links to purchase. So definitely check that out. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. Ooh, very gorgeous colors. Kind of pastel summer vibes here. I'm loving that. So I have two stamping plates. Here is the first one. Do this one first. So this is M486. Let me turn this flash off. It is so hard to get this with the light. So it is such a cute little jellyfish plate. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. No brains, just vibes. Oh my God, I love that so much. Don't be jelly. Okay, I was looking for a stamp that said that the other day. Ugh, I needed this plate like you wouldn't believe, you guys. Oh, check this out. So we have kind of like a double stamp here. Like a layering stamp, so you can do different colors. Love that. I want to do a jellyfish set. I have a client that was asking about jellyfish and possibly doing them. They looked a little 3D, so I think if I could like stamp one down and then go over it with some gel and make it 3D, it would help so much. I really like the look of these ones right here. There are so many different kinds of jellyfish. Some of these images, like these words, are very, very tiny and hard to see, but it tells you what kind of jellyfish it is. So if you wanted to leave that off, you definitely don't have to put that on. You can just put the type of jellyfish on your nail. That says it's a black sea nettle. What is this one? Cannonball jelly. They're so hard to read. Blob jelly. I can't. You guys know I need glasses really bad, but they're all there. All the names. I love this plate so much. Let me take the blue film off. It might be a little bit easier to see that way. So we'll definitely take that off. I want to do a design. I'm so excited. I might take these off and do a set of press-ons for myself. I definitely have a couple chips and scuffs and things, you know, life of the nail tech issues. But look at this plate. Yeah, you can definitely see it way better now. Ooh, this is a cool one. I love these images. This one is really fun. Trying to keep the glare off, you guys, so you can see the best possible. What a cool plate. Love it. And then this one I picked because I felt like it went well with this. Plus, it's SpongeBob-ish. It's got SpongeBob vibes, and I have somewhere some SpongeBob stickers, and I thought it would be really fun to do a set of SpongeBob nails one of these days. I've got to find a client that will let me do that on them. I'm sure somebody will. If not, Retta will, and we'll do that with one of our true crime and nail time things. Maybe that would be fun for summer. But the thing about the SpongeBob nails, right, is these flowers. You have to have these like little flowers, and I cannot draw those to save my life. I have tried, and I'm not the best, like, you know, hand drawing of things. Like, I can do some stuff, but like some things are just so hard for me, and those I've just never been able to nail down. And now I'm going to be able to do the most perfect SpongeBob nails you've ever seen. Okay, so this stamping plate is M491. It goes so well with the jellyfish plate. And then you've got everything else that goes along with it. Like, look, you got little jellies here. And then you've got little faces here. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Best day ever. Imagination. You got the little rainbow. That's so perfect. I love this plate so much. Oh yes. A few years later. And it's got all the things. This is a really cool image right here. It's like the sea foamy kind of stuff. Very cool. And I like these kind of like under the sea images with the coral. Very nice. The pineapples are freaking adorable. Just, you know, very cool. Oh, we've got bubbles. We got duck bubble, heart bubble, regular bubbles, a music note bubble. Very cool. I love this plate. I love this plate. So now I'm torn. Do I do like a SpongeBob set or do I do like just like a jellyfish set? I don't know, but I'm going to figure that out. First things first, I want to swatch these polishes on the lids to see how they look. So let's do that. I don't know how it's possible, but I have a stamper I haven't even opened yet. I was getting ready to pull out a Christmas one of the Ice Cube stampers, and I was like, don't I have a summer one? How did I not have this one open? I have no idea, but we're going to use it. Oh, this is perfect. I forget what set this came with. I'm sure it came with something. Did you guys see my ASMR video? That was so much fun. I want to do more of those. I don't know if I'm very good at it, but look how cute. Yes, summer vibes. Love it. You know, the little ASMR on package opening and unboxing. That was a lot of fun. I'm going to use this image right here to do my little swatch on top. I think it's a very cool image. So, oh, let me tell you the names of these polishes. So sorry. This one is called Blue Ribbon. The corally one is called Nectar. And the green, Zombie Hunt. Interesting. Very cool. Okay. I don't know if those were like originally supposed to be together. The names don't really go together, but the colors are beautiful together. Gosh, look at that pickup. Ugh, I love me a fresh stamper. Ooh, okay. Looks very good over black. I love the pigmentation on it, and it looks amazing over white. This is gonna be a good one. And I need my cotton claw. My pineapple fell off the top. I need a new one. I'm pretty sure my kid stole the pineapple, so it is gone. But I use this thing all the time, especially when I'm wearing press-ons, because these babies will melt like nobody's business as soon as they touch acetone. So I try to be very careful not to do that. All right, let's do Nectar next. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I use a lot of stamping polish on toes for pedicures. Ooh, look at that. It looks very good over white. It even shows up well over black. Perfect. Because it dries so fast, and most of my clients want regular polish on their toes because they get pedicures quite often. So I like to reach for stamping polish colors. I have some C and D colors that are really nice that I'll use for toes, but like the stamping polish dries so fast, it's so pigmented, it's perfect for pedicures. So keep that in mind. Okay. Ooh, that green is good. I already know. I already know it's gonna be so good. Okay, not as vibrant over the black as I thought it was gonna be, but it does still show up. So that's good. So that is the colors swatched. So you can see what they look like over black and white. I think these are going to be great. So I want to say a huge thank you to Maniology for sending me these little babies. Join me in part 2. I'm going to come back with another video. I just want to do like an unboxing and kind of like a swatch to show off the stuff in this first video. And then I'm going to do a design in part 2 because it's going to probably be a little bit longer. So I'm going to break this video up into 2 parts. So join me. Subscribe, turn on the notifications so you don't miss anything. Join me in part 2, and I'm gonna do some kind of design. I'm not sure what, but it's gonna be fantastic because I've got all the tools in the world to do it. So I'm very excited. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.